to her spot and lay on this. Let's see if it works. You wanna come lay on this bug? You lay down over here? Oh, good girl! She got right on it. Today I'm going to be doing a live unboxing and honest review of the Orthopedic foam bed from Jenny. This is actually going to be for my dog, and I don't know how they fit an entire dog bed in this box, but we're about to find out together. This is what it looks like. I'm nervous that I accidentally might have got an extra small. Oh, that's nice. I'm gonna go ahead and take out the cover first. Look at this cover. Oh my God, I'm jealous. I'm jealous that you get to use this. This is very soft. Okay, so that's the answer. This dog bag is going to be huge, so it must be just really vacuum sealed. I'm 5'7" and it goes past my waist, so we're looking at a pretty decent size. I'm also seeing on the back of this really good tread on the material itself. So what this is telling me is this is going to stay in place on the ground, which is going to be really nice. Is this zipper right here goes all the way around, which means it's going to be very easy to put together, hopefully, today on this video. But also, I have the ability to take this off anytime that I want to wash it. For the main event, this vacuum sealed magic trick that we're about to do today, it's alive. It's starting to come together. Okay, so yes, it definitely was vacuum sealed. It's starting to take some shape. It's kind of like vacuum sealed in here and then vacuum sealed again in a protector. And as you can see, I'm going to take this out real fast. So it looks like it is like an egg crate pad. But that's a pretty decent size. So let's go ahead and try to put the cover on it, even though it hasn't grown all the way yet. Able in literally seconds to put it in there, and I'm able to go ahead and get it zipped up. Obviously, it's a little flimsy right now simply because I do have to let it breathe and grow over the next 24 or 48 hours, but let's test it on my dog and see if she likes it. All right, so this is my dog, Lily, and she usually just lays on this rug right here, but I'm gonna see if she's gonna come back to her spot and lay on this. Let's see if it works. You wanna come lay on this bug? You lay down over here? Oh, good girl! She got right on it. Lay down. Good girl. Do you like it? Is that soft? And I bet in no time, my cat will also be found lying on this. So I love it. Pet parent approved, dog approved, and you might love it as well.